Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are your succulents randomly dying and you don't know why? Go check their soil and see if it looks like this. If so, get some better draining soil and add some pumice to the mix. This will allow your plant's roots to breathe and grow faster. Your plants will definitely thank you for that later. Next, you're going to want to plant the cutest succulent that you have in your collection. Lastly, this step is completely optional. You can dress the top of your soil with even more pumice. This will help protect the plant from any overwatering. For more succulent tips, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram @GayOnABudget. See you on the next video.